We come from different walks of life, some juggling family, others working long hours in demanding jobs. Yet, we all share the same desire, the dream of a better future, one that offers freedom and control. But real opportunities are rare, and only those that deliver tangible results truly matter, just like real innovation. For 6 years, WoW has transformed lives by empowering people with the knowledge to trade confidently. With flexible learning options, from live sessions to on-demand replays, WoW equips you to turn knowledge into power. And when it's time to turn that knowledge into real-world results, SageMaster is here to make the process simple. With SageMaster, trading is about more than just following a plan. It's about having the flexibility to choose the path that works best for you. Who am I? I'm Alex, automating long-term trades with AI Basket for consistent performance. Or I could be Emily, setting up an AI grid for quick, efficient trades, even on a busy schedule. Maybe I'm Sophie, following expert strategies with AIDCA for simplified trading. Then there's David, building custom strategies from scratch and sharing them with the community. Or I'm Mia, trading with the help of Master GPT, my AI co-pilot, guiding me with real-time trade ideas and refining my strategies. With SageMaster, I'm always in control, using tools that fit my style. Focused on strategy, not emotions. Redefine your financial journey with WoW and SageMaster. Every strategy, every tool, designed to help you create the future you envision.